Okay, so in last lecture we have started with the unit number 2, that is Fourier series, where we have seen some definitions. First definition was periodic function, if you remember. Is this visible?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Okay. Then we have seen the definition of even function and some examples. Then odd function. Third type, neither even nor odd functions. And then we have seen some results like sin pi, sin 2 pi, sin n pi. These all formula. And very important result, that is formula of integration from minus a to a of f of x dx. If that f of x is even, it becomes 2 times 0 to a integration f of x dx. But when your function is even, this integration value is directly 0 if your function is odd, right? We have seen this, and now okay, we'll go ahead to that. Now we have to see the definition of Fourier series. Before that, we need definition or Dirichlet conditions. Dirichlet's conditions. So for the Fourier series, definition of Fourier series, the conditions are important that are Dirichlet's condition. So if these conditions are satisfied, then only we can use the Fourier series, or we can find out the Fourier series of given function. So there are 3 Dirichlet's conditions. The first condition is function, whatever is given, f of x and its integral, and it has an integration. Function and its integral are finite and single valued. What does mean? Like if the function f of x is say tan x in the interval say minus pi to pi. So in this minus pi to pi, is the pi by 2 comes in this interval? Yes, so if we put x is pi by 2, it becomes tan pi by 2. And what is tan pi by 2? What is the value of tan pi by 2? It is infinity. Then can we use the Fourier series for this? No, we cannot use the Fourier series, as the function is not finite in the given interval. As its value is infinite, so we cannot use the Fourier series, as first Dirichlet condition does not follow. So here we cannot use Fourier series. Are you getting what it means? The first condition is function and its integral are finite, then the values must be finite and they must be single valued. Second, function f of x must have finite number of maxima and minima. Okay, like function is there and we are drawing the function curve, something like this. Okay, and here it is the maximum of this curve, right? These two are the maxima, and if you see the minimum, there are some minimas like this. Okay, so these are the minima, but how should be the maxima and minima to the given function? They must be finite. And when they will be finite, if it is defined in a range, in an interval. So if it is an interval given, there will be finite maxima and minima, and it must be finite. If they are, they must be finite in number. And the third condition is function f of x must have finite number of discontinuities. Okay, that means what? Okay, so suppose there is the interval 0 to, given interval is 0 to pi, and 0 to pi by 2 given is the value 1, and from pi by 2 to pi given is the value 0 से. So there is this curve and pi by 2 to pi is this curve. There is the function become discontinuous, right? At this point, at point pi by 2, it becomes discontinuous. But how many such discontinuous continuities should be there? They must be again finite. They cannot be infinite in numbers. So these are the three Dirichlet conditions. No one is going to ask you the Dirichlet condition, but this word Dirichlet is very important for MCQ. So they will ask you for Fourier series, the conditions required are. So what conditions required? Dirichlet's condition. So the function which satisfy all these three conditions will be able to write the Fourier series. Done?
1 minute, ma'am.
Okay. These are the three conditions. Remember the word Dirichlet's conditions. So these three conditions are called Dirichlet's conditions. Can I go next to the definition of Fourier series? Can I go next?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Okay. That's the definition. Then Fourier series. Fourier series. Okay. If function f of x is a periodic function, first thing the function must be periodic for the Fourier series representation. We have seen this definition. If f of x is a periodic function with period 2 pi in case of pi intervals or 2l in case of length numbers given. Okay. So first thing is function is periodic with periods are either 2 pi or 2l and which satisfies Dirichlet's conditions. Which satisfies Dirichlet's conditions. Are you getting? Fourier series, for the Fourier series, function is periodic with period either is 2 pi or 2l and it must satisfy Dirichlet's condition. Then its Fourier series is. Then its Fourier series is. F of x is equal to. Okay, do you remember the trigonometric series? Do you know the trigonometric series? Trigonometric series is itself a Fourier series, but with some conditions like function must be periodic. This must satisfy Dirichlet's conditions. If this satisfies, then that trigonometric series is itself a Fourier series. What is trigonometric series? Have you heard about this? A naught plus summation an cos nx plus bn sin nx. Remember? N is 1 to infinity. This is a trigonometric series and it itself is a Fourier series with some conditions on it.
A naught 2 was 10.
A naught is?
A naught divided by 2.
There are various definitions. If A naught by 2 you are taking, then we are writing A naught, An and Bn definition here. So that definitions get modified. If you want A naught by 2, definition madla 2 jato. Like that. Okay, so this is the Fourier series. But you understand what I mean to say? A naught by 2 ही तुम्ही घेऊ शकता. पुढे तुम्हाला A naught, An, Bn चे डेफिनेशन लिहायचे. तिथे जो 2 आपण घेतलेला असतो तो इकडे निघून जातो. आता ही डेफिनेशन कन्सिडर करा. Where A naught, An and Bn are what? Are constants to be determined. तुम्हाला ते शोधायचे, यामध्ये ठेवायचे आणि जे आन्सर येईल ते तुमचं रिक्वायर्ड Fourier series. Okay, ना आता हे ए नॉट ए एन बी एन काय असणार आहेत हे आपल्याला बघायचे. त्याआधी आता इथे जिथे म्हणतायत की पिरियड इज 2π आणि 2l, मग 2π पिरियड केव्हा असणार आहे, जेव्हा तुमचे इंटरवल्स असणार आहेत पाय वाले, like c to c plus 2π, like 0 to pi, like -π to pi, such intervals, those which are having pi in it, period is 2π there. And some intervals are like c to c plus 2l, किंवा मग in general म्हटलं तर 0 to 4, -2 to 2, ज्यामध्ये नंबर्स दिसतील. l is the number, 4 2 काही इंटरवल्स मध्ये पाय दिसेल आणि काही इंटरवल मध्ये पाय दिसणार नाही. ठीक आहे, अशा दोन टाईपचे आपले इंटरवल्स असणार आहेत. सो फर्स्ट इज हॅव्हिंग पाय इन इट, त्यांचा पिरियड 2π असणार आहे. आणि दुसऱ्या टाईपचे इंटरवल ज्यांच्यामध्ये नंबर्स असणार आहे त्यांचा पिरियड काय असणार आहे,
2l.
2l, right? So period is 2l there. So very basic, whenever Fourier series comes, there will be either the interval having pi or interval having numbers. Okay, remember that. Okay, so first interval we are going to see is pi intervals. Okay, so we start with the interval, say c to c plus 2π, general interval. Okay, so on that we are going to define the Fourier series. So write the definition. If f of x, आता हे सगळं ऍज्युम आहे. काय ऍज्युम आहे, f of x कसा आहे हे मी प्रत्येक वेळेस लिहिणार नाही. हाऊ इज f of x Fourier series साठी? f of
Finite
x
and single value.
yes,
Finite है.
yes, first thing periodic, then it satisfies Dirichlet conditions, isn't it? No need to write. Now it is obvious. As we are writing the Fourier series, means these conditions are satisfied. Okay, if f of x is defined on c to c plus 2π with period, what is the period?
2π.
2π. Period never changes. Period are of two types only, 2π or 2l. So whenever there are pi's in your interval, period is always 2π. Okay, then it's Fourier series is, okay, I'm writing. Can you tell me the Fourier series? F of x is, oh come on, tell me Fourier series. A नॉट, Fourier series चेंज नहीं होणार आहे. ठीक आहे, जे आपण लिहिली ती Fourier series as it is continuous, an cos nx plus bn sin nx, n is 1 to infinity. These both are in summation. Okay, sorry for the disturbance. Okay, so this is the definition of Fourier series where we have defined this. Now we have to define those a naught, an and bn. Okay, so I'm going to define now where a naught is 1 upon 2 pi integration, whatever is the interval. Interval is c to c plus 2 pi. So limits of the integration are c to c plus 2 pi. F of x dx. Getting the definition of a naught? A naught is 1 upon 2 pi integration, limits of whatever the interval given, limits of integration of that function f of x. An is defined as 1 upon pi integration c to c plus 2 pi f of x into an cos nx आहे इथे inside summation. So for that an with the function there is cos nx dx. And then what will be the bn definition? 1 upon pi integration c to c plus 2 pi f of x into correct sin nx dx. So this whole is now definition of Fourier series, where this is the basic thing, basic required Fourier series, where we have to find these three terms a naught, a and b, and we have to solve these integrations. We substitute here and whatever we get is the required Fourier series. Write properly. And the better. If you are writing a naught by 2 here, right? So a naught by 2, then it becomes 1 by
1 by
yes, that changes will be happen. So if you want to do that, you can do, but it's okay that you can write simple a naught, an and bn. Okay, then next, done. This is very proper basic definition. Everyone remember this, please, because we have to go ahead with the next intervals now. Okay, whenever there are pi, okay, in your interval, whatever. So there are basic two types. The first is if your c is 0, what is the interval? If c is 0, c is 0, then it becomes 0
2 pi.
0 to 2 pi. So your first interval in the Fourier series is 0 to 2 pi. And the second interval is if your c is minus pi. What is the interval? Minus pi to
Pi.
pi. Okay.
Pi.
So these are the two intervals we will look into. So next definition becomes if c is 0 or Fourier series in the interval 0 to 2 pi. आता बाकी सगळं आहे with period 2 pi and that remains as it is with period 2 pi. Whenever Fourier series comes, the interval is very important. Which interval, on which interval we are defining. So what is the Fourier series? F of x is equal to, come on, tell me the Fourier series. Will it change? No, it is a Fourier series, it remains as it is. What is that? A naught plus summation an cos nx plus these two are inside summation, okay? Bn sin nx, n is 1 to infinity, right? Where now we have to define a naught. Can you define and tell me a naught, please? A naught is, we are just changing this interval. C is, we are writing C is 0 now, okay? This is as it is, wherever is C, we are writing it 0, that's it. So A naught becomes
1 upon 2 pi.
correct. Integration are the integration limits are the
0 to 2
interval,
pi.
right? 0 to 2 pi
2 pi.
f of x dx. An is 1 upon
1 by pi,
pi,
0 to 2 pi,
correct? F of x
f of
into
x cos nx plus
Correct.
d
cos nx dx, right? And Bn is 1 by pi
1 pi
0
integration from
0
0
to
to
2 pi.
2 pi
correct?
f of
F of
x
x.
sin nx dx.
Very good. Sin nx dx. These three things we will find and substitute in this equation number 1 and we'll get the required Fourier series in 0 to 2 pi. This is your first type. Here we can write instead that star first. Fourier series in 0 to 2 pi. Clear? So this is the definition. Now we go to the second interval. What is that? Second type, Fourier series in?
Minus pi to
Correct. Fourier series in minus pi to pi with period 2 pi. Period never changes with period 2 pi. Fourier series, for the Fourier series, period must be 2 pi. Okay. Then it is defined as, what is the Fourier series? Not changed. An cos nx plus bn sin nx from 1 to infinity. Where a naught is. Can you define a naught?
1 upon 2 pi integration from 0 to 3 pi.
Integration from
minus pi to pi.
this, whatever is your interval, just take that interval. Don't think much. Minus pi to pi. जो तुम्हाला दिलेला असेल तो. f of x. A naught ला फक्त f of x आहे. an 1 upon pi integration.
Minus pi to pi.
Correct. F of x into cos nx dx. Correct. And bn is 1 by pi integration minus pi to pi f of x into sin nx dx. This is the definition of Fourier series in minus pi to pi. पण आता प्रॉब्लेम असा आहे की आपल्याकडे एक फॉर्म्युला आहे. कुठला फॉर्म्युला आहे? इंटिग्रेशन मायनस a to a of f of x dx. It is what? 2 times 0 to a f of x dx when your function is
Even.
even. And this value is directly 0 if your function is
Odd.
Odd.
right. पण हे आपण कधी करतो? जेव्हा मायनस a to a असतं. आता इथे हाच प्रकार आलाय, मायनस टू प्लस आलाय, मायनस पाय टू पाय वॉट एव्हर, मायनस दॅट टू प्लस दॅट आलाय. म्हणजे आपण इथे इव्हन ऑड चेक करू शकतो आणि काही व्हॅल्यू 0 जाऊ शकतो. ठीक आहे. मग आता आपण 3 टाइप चेक करणार. कुठले 3? फंक्शन साठी whether the function is even, function is odd, आणि तिसरा कुठला?
Neither even nor odd.
करेक्ट. पण हे सगळं कुठं करणार आपण? कुठल्या इंटरवल वर करणार?
minus 5.
मायनस पाय टू पाय वर करणार, कारण फक्त अशा टाइप साठी आपल्याला हे लिहिता येतं. 0 to 2 पाय वर करणार का ते चेक आपण?
No.
नाही, त्याला उपयोगही नाहीये. उपयोग कुठे आहे? फक्त मायनस पाय टू पाय किंवा मायनस ए टू ए टाइप वर होतं. मग आता जेव्हा तुमचा मायनस पाय टू पाय इंटरवल असणार आहे, ओके पुढे जाऊयात. इफ नोट यू कॅन राईट, इफ interval is minus pi to pi, first check what? Whether the function f of x is what?
Even or odd.
Even or odd or neither even nor odd. These 3 types you have to check. Right. So now we have checked, suppose, and the first type is in what but in minus pi to pi. If f of x is even, even म्हणजे काय? काय चेक केलं आपण? even म्हणजे
F of minus x equal to f of x.
करेक्ट. हे आपण चेक केलं सपोज आणि ते इव्हन आले, तर काय होईल? फुरियर सिरीज लिहायची आपल्याला. सांगा बरं फुरियर सिरीज. f of x is equal to
A naught plus
a naught plus summation an cos nx. Don't write anything, just listen. I'll give you time. Sin nx, n is 1 to infinity. These two are inside summation where, yes, where a naught is 1 by 2 pi integration minus pi to pi f of x dx. Right. But this function is what?
Even.
Even. function is even. Even. So what we can write for even function definition?
2 into
This 1 by 2 pi as it is, and it becomes 2 into integration, lower limit it becomes 0, upper limit as it is, f of x dx. This 2 to get cancelled, and what is the new a naught? 1 by pi 0 to pi f of x dx. This is your definition of a naught if your function is even, modified. Now we will go to an. What is the definition of an? 1 upon
Pi.
pi. Yes, minus pi to pi. F of x into cos nx dx. F of x is even. हे आपण इथे लिहिले, आपण चेक केले आणि इव्हन आला तर. आणि कॉस कसा आहे?
Even.
इव्हन आहे. आणि इव्हन इंटू इव्हन काय?
Even.
इव्हन. म्हणजे हे होल फंक्शन काय झालं? इव्हन. इव्हन फंक्शन आहे म्हणजे काय लिहू शकतो आपण? इंटिग्रेशन. हे जर फंक्शन इव्हन असेल ना, तर ह्या इव्हन फंक्शन असेल, हे जर फंक्शन इव्हन असेल तर आपण काय लिहू शकतो?
2 into integration minus.
येस, 2 टाइम्स इंटिग्रेशन. हा मायनस पाय जातो आणि काय होतं तिथं? 0 to pi of whatever it is there, f of x cos nx dx. So what is your an? An is 2 by pi 0 to pi f of x cos nx dx, modified when the function is even. आता हे तुम्हाला प्रत्येक वेळेस करावं लागणार जर तुमचा इंटरवल हा असेल. चेक करा फंक्शन इवन होईल का ऑड होईल की नाहीतर इवन नॉर ऑड होईल. ठीक आहे. आणि bn 1 by pi minus pi to pi f of x into sin nx dx. But f of x is even, and how is sin?
Odd.
Odd. And even into odd is
Odd.
Odd.
odd. So this whole function becomes odd.
0.
The integration of this is 0. 0 into anything is 0. So we get bn as 0. Okay. So a naught is this, an is this, and bn is 0. So what is the Fourier series now for even function? bn तर 0 झाला. So 0 into anything becomes 0. म्हणजे हे टर्म निघूनच गेली. So this is the required Fourier series. F of x is a naught plus summation an cos nx, and bn is 0. So whenever interval is minus pi to pi, we have checked if the function is even, it means directly bn is 0. No need to find. Okay. Whenever the function is even in such intervals minus 2 plus, the bn is directly 0, and these are a naught and an. Clear? Is the required Fourier series then for the even function. Chalo, write it. If you don't want to write the story, just write this Fourier series where a naught is this, an is this, and bn is directly 0. Chalo, second. Should I go or wait?
Wait.
Okay. If you have any doubt, please ask. पुढे गेल्यावर मग मागे नेऊ नका, विचारून घ्या काही डाउट्स असतील तर. चलायचं पुढे? झाले?
Over, ma'am.
Okay. Okay, then next in minus pi to pi itself. In minus pi to pi again. And if we check the second type now, if f of x is, what is second type? Odd.
Odd.
Odd म्हणजे आपण काय चेक केलेलं असणार? f of minus x is
minus f of x.
minus f of x. हे जर सपोज तुमच्याकडे आलेलं असेल तर आपण तिथे म्हणणार आहे की फंक्शन ऑड झालं. मग ऑड झाल्यावर तुमची फुरियर सिरीज काय होणार आहे हे आपल्याला लिहायचंय. आता मी थांबते, काय होईल? वेअर a naught is define a naught 1 upon 2 pi minus pi to pi f of x dx. But f of x कसा आहे? Odd.
Odd.
And then what is the integration?
0.
Integration of odd from minus to plus is 0, 0 into anything is 0, means a naught is 0 for the odd function. Now we'll see an 1 upon pi integration minus pi to pi f of x into cos nx dx. F of x is odd, cos is even, odd into even, odd, and this whole is odd, so integration of odd is
0.
but it is always from minus to plus. Okay, don't always say that integration of odd is always 0. It is not always 0. It is 0 when it is from minus a to a. Yes, 0 into anything 0 means an is also 0. Now bn 1 upon pi integration minus pi to pi f of x into sin nx dx. F of x is odd, sin is
Odd.
odd, odd into odd,
Even.
even. So this is even, means it becomes, this integration becomes 2 times 0 to pi. बरोबर का? Correct है का?
Yes, ma'am.
That 1 upon pi as it is. F of x into sin nx dx is the definition of Pn when your function is odd. मग आता इथे 0 काय झालं, म्हणजे जेव्हा फंक्शन तुमचं ऑड असणार आहे, यू कॅन डिरेक्टली राईट a naught and an both are 0. सॉल्व पण नाही करायचे, 0 लिहून टाकायचे. कळलं? मग राहते काय फक्त bn. मग सिरीज काय राहणार सांगा? फुरियर सिरीज जिथे a naught ही नाही आणि n ही नाहीये. बोला. a naught 0 नाही लिहायचा, समेशन an तो पण 0 नाही लिहायचा, प्लस bn sin nx, n is 1 to infinity, is the required Fourier series. When the function is odd, odd झालं तर काम सोपं आहे. a naught an 0 लिहून टाकायचा, फक्त bn सॉल्व करायचा, यामध्ये ठेवायचा, डन. आणि इवन झालं तरीही ठीक आहे, bn 0 होते, फक्त a naught an सॉल्व करायचं. Okay, so third, in minus pi to pi itself, what is the third type?
Neither even nor odd.
Yes, if f of x is neither even nor odd. मग असं जर काहीतरी होत असेल तर आपले फॉर्म्युले यूज होणार का तो इवन ऑड वाला? हा जो फॉर्म्युला मी इथे सांगितला हा एकतर इवन असेल तर आहे किंवा मग ऑड असेल तर आहे, आणि जर नायदर इवन नॉर ऑड असेल तर हे वापरू शकतो का आपण? नाही, हे इवन ऑडलाच वापरू शकतो. म्हणजे आपण काहीच वापरू नाही शकत यातलं. म्हणजे आपली जी बेसिक ओरिजिनल डेफिनेशन आहे यामध्ये काही चेंज होईल का मायनस पाय टू पाय वरती?
No.
नाही होणार. इवन असेल तर 2 टाइम 0 टू पाय होतो, ऑड असेल तर 0 होतो, पण हे दोन्ही नसले तर डेफिनेशन ही ऍज इट इज राहील. सो ही लिहून टाका पुन्हा. एफ ऑफ एक्स इज सगळं असणार तिथे पुन्हा एकदा. a naught plus summation an cos nx plus bn sin nx, n is 1 to infinity, where a naught is 1 upon 2 pi, an is 1 upon pi, and bn is 1 upon pi. Integration minus pi to pi, minus pi to pi, minus pi to pi. Here is just f of x. Here is f of x with cos nx. And here f of x with sin nx. Okay, so this is the Fourier series in minus pi to pi. 0 to 2 pi वरती पण लिमिट्स 0 to 2 pi राहतात. मायनस पाय टू पाय वरती हे मायनस पाय टू पायच राहतात जेव्हा फंक्शन हे नायदर इव्हन नॉर ऑड आहे. पण फंक्शन जर इव्हन ऑड झालं तर तुम्ही चेंजेस लक्षात ठेवायचे. 0 to पाय होतं ते. इंटिग्रेशन इज 0 to पाय वेन इव्हन ऑड. इथं दाखवलंय कसं होतंय ते पण दाखवलंय. मायनस पाय टू पायचं 2 times 0 to पाय होऊन जातं. Okay, so these are the three types we have to see in minus pi to pi intervals. Anything you want to ask? Okay, so should I go to next then? Okay, so what we have seen is first pi intervals. There are two types of intervals. एक असणारे pi interval आणि दुसरा असणारे लेंथ. ओके, L intervals. त्यातला आपण पहिला टाइप बघतोय pi interval. त्यातला इंटरवल कुठला असणार आहे? C to C plus 2 pi हा तुमचा ओरिजिनल इंटरवल आहे फुरियर सिरीज साठी. ओके, हे आपण समराइज करतोय. दोन टाइपच्या फुरियर सिरीज फॉर पाय इंटरवल्स, फॉर एल इंटरवल्स. मग सी यामध्ये दोन बेसिक टाइप्स आहेत. कुठले दोन टाइप्स इंटरवल आहे? पहिला इंटरवल 0 to 2 pi and second interval
minus pi to pi.
minus pi to pi. करेक्ट. 0 to 2 pi वरती ही जी काही रेंज आहे 0 to 2 pi किंवा minus pi to pi याला म्हणायचे फुल रेंज. फुल रेंज. ठीक आहे, किंवा मग नाही काही म्हटलं तरी चालते. फुरियर सिरीज ऑन these two intervals, but these two intervals are full range intervals, and whatever we get is the full range Fourier series. Generally we just call Fourier series, not the full range Fourier series, but it is the full range. Okay, where in this 0 to 2 pi, where we have to find a naught, an and bn all exist. Nothing is 0. But on minus pi to pi intervals, we will check whether even, whether odd, or neither even nor odd. And if the function is even, what is 0?
Bn.
Bn is directly 0. So there is only a naught and an in your Fouriers. When function is odd, what is 0?
A naught and A.
Yes, both are 0 and only Bn exists. And when the function is neither even nor odd, nothing is 0. Yes, so everything is there. All exist. Right. So these are the full range. I told you 0 to 2 pi. These are the two types, 0 to pi, minus pi to pi. There is the next type, half of this interval if it comes. Okay. So say 0 to pi. 0 to pi is half of 0 to 2 pi. Again 0 to pi is half of this interval. So this 0 to pi is the half range interval. Half range interval. And if Fourier series is defined on this interval, it is called half range Fourier series. Okay, so आतापर्यंत जे म्हटलं त्याला एक तर फुल रेंज म्हणतात किंवा जस्ट Fourier series म्हणतात. ठीक आहे, या दोन इंटरवल वरती जे की आहेत फुल रेंज. आता आपल्याला बघायची हाफ रेंज. हाफ रेंज Fourier series. On which interval? Interval
0 to pi.
करेक्ट. जर तुमचा इंटरवल 0 to pi असेल, नॉट 0 to 2 pi असा नाही दिसणार किंवा मायनस पाय टू पाय असाही नाही, ते दिलेलं असतं तुम्हाला. जर तो 0 to pi असेल तर दॅट इज द हाफ रेंज. ओके, अँड ऑन दिस वी हॅव टू फाइंड द हाफ रेंज फुरियर सिरीज. मग हाफ रेंज फुरियर सिरीज ह्या दोन टाईपच्या आहेत. फर्स्ट टाईप इज half range Fourier cosine series. हाफ रेंज फुरियर कोसाइन सिरीज यालाच म्हणतात हाफ रेंज फुरियर कोसाइन सिरीज HRFCS. ओके काय घेऊ शकतो आपण यामध्ये इफ f of x is defined on the interval, which interval? हाफ रेंज साठी इंटरवल कुठला 0 to pi. But what is the period? With period never changes. I told you period. What is the period?
2 pi.
2 pi. Yes, with period never changes. Remember, they can ask you for MCQ type. What is the period? Period is always 2 pi for pi intervals. Though whatever is the interval given, period is 2 pi. So with period 2 pi. Then half range Fourier cosine series is f of x is equal to, now there is the word cosine. It is, pay attention what I'm saying, it is exactly similar to the even function in minus pi to pi. Can I go back? It is exactly similar to the even function in minus pi to pi. Does it looks like cosine series? There is only cos part, sine part is removed, right? So an cos, an is there, so a naught is obviously there. So this is what is called the cosine series, half range cosine series in interval 0 to pi. Here it is full range, okay, because it was defined on minus pi to pi. And we have checked for even odd. There we need not to do that. तुम्हाला even odd check नाही करावं लागणार, directly cosine series आहे. कोसाइन असेल तर तुम्ही लिहिणार a naught plus summation an cos nx. Sir, n is 1 to infinity. Where, what is a naught? तिकडचं as it is आपण इकडे घेणार आहे. काय तो a naught?
1/2 pi.
2 pi जातो ना, इवन ऑडला पाय होतो आणि इंटिग्रेशन पण मायनस पाय टू पायचं 0 to pi होतं. f of x dx चेक करा करेक्ट आहे का? Even function a naught is 1 / pi 0 to pi and an is 2 / pi 0 to pi, and an is 2 by pi 0 to pi f of x into cos nx dx. फुरियर सिरीज म्हणजे फक्त ह्या सगळ्या डेफिनेशन आहेत. हे जर तुम्हाला डेफिनेशन लक्षात राहिले, सॉल्व केले, यामध्ये ठेवलं की तुमचं काम झालं. ओके, इथे लिहून ठेवा. इट इज एक्झॅक्टली सिमिलर टू फुरियर series in minus pi to pi, similar to even Fourier series in minus pi to pi, where f of x is even function. तिकडची जी डेफिनेशन आहे ती ऍज इट इज हाफ रेंज मध्ये लिहिली जाईल. पण फक्त तुम्हाला इथे लक्ष काय द्यायचंय की हे हाफ रेंज आहे का फुल रेंज आहे. ही फुल रेंज कधी होईल, जर तिथे मायनस पाय टू पाय म्हटलेलं असेल किंवा 0 to 2 pi म्हटलेलं असेल. आणि 0 to pi आला की ती हाफ रेंज. मग हाफ रेंज आली की दोन टाइप्स. पहिला टाइप हाफ रेंज फुरियर कोसाइन सिरीज. दुसरा काय असेल, पहिला मी लिहिलंय ते हाफ रेंज फुरियर कोसाइन सिरीज, फर्स्ट टाइप. व्हाट इज द सेकंड टाइप? व्हाट डू यू थिंक?
Half range Fourier sine series.
करेक्ट, कोसाइन झाला म्हणजे साइन राहिला. सो हाफ रेंज सेकंड टाइप, हाफ रेंज फुरियर sine series, HRFSS. Yes. So what do you think? How will be the half range Fouriers if f of x is defined on, what is the interval? Half
0
range
to 1.
interval 0 to
pi.
pi. Half range itself indicates that range is half, na? So 0 to pi with period 2 pi. Then it's half range Fourier sine series is. Can you tell me? F of x is equal to. त्याच्या नावातच आहे ते साइन. साइन आहे म्हणजे तिथे कोसाइन नाहीये. कोसाइन नाहीये म्हणजे an नाहीये. an नाहीये म्हणजे a नॉट पण नाहीये. म्हणजे काय फक्त सिरीज मध्ये
bn.
bn summation bn sin nx. N is 1 to infinity where bn is okay. So here I like right. It is similar to what? Fourier series of odd function in minus pi to pi. Can you just check? Odd function. So odd function in minus pi to pi, series bn sin nx, where a naught and both are 0 and bn is 2 by pi 0 to pi. So it is 2 by pi 0 to pi f of x into sin nx dx. This is what is the half range Fourier sine series. Okay, so this is all when the interval are having pi's in it. Okay, we will just once again summarize it with the definitions. So whenever it is c to c plus 2 pi, there are two types. Which are there? First type is 0 to 2 pi. Second is minus pi to pi. On 0 to 2 pi, the Fourier series is f of x is equal to a naught plus summation an cos nx plus bn sin nx. N is 1 to infinity, where a naught is, tell me a naught? 1 upon,
Pi.
correct. 0 to 2 pi f of x dx. An is
1 upon pi.
1 upon pi, 0 to 2
Integration.
pi.
Integration 0 to 2 pi f of x cos
Cos
nx
nx dx.
dx, correct. Bn is
1
upon
upon pi integration 0 to 2 pi f of x into sin nx into dx.
correct. This is all when the interval is 0 to 2 pi. Okay, so in 0 to 2 pi आपल्याला बाकी काही करायचंय का? नाही, even odd वगैरे काही चेक नाही करायचं. So this is all when the interval is 0 to 2 pi. Right. पण when तुमचं फंक्शन डिफाईन असेल मायनस पाय टू पाय वरती, तुमचं पहिलं काम काय? चेक फॉर इव्हन or neither even nor odd. हे यावर करत नाही ना आपण, यावरच करतो फक्त मायनस पाय टू पाय. मग त्यातला पहिला टाईप, if the function is even, what is the Fourier series? F of x is
A naught
a naught plus
summation an cos nx. Even असेल तर bn is directly 0. Right? म्हणजे तिथे फक्त a naught आणि an आहे. Where a naught is even odd ला
1 upon pi
pi होतो, करेक्ट. 1 upon pi आणि हे पण 0 to
pi.
f of x dx.
Oh.
an is
Four
हा
pi.
1 upon होता तो 2 times होतो ना, 2 times 0 to pi. So 2 by pi 0 to pi f of x into cos nx dx. This is even when the function is even. Secondly, if we check and the function is odd, then what is 0?
A naught and A.
A naught and an both are 0, and the Fourier series is
Summation of bn sin nx.
correct. Summation bn sin nx, n is 1 to infinity, and where bn is like this, 2 by pi, 0 to pi, f of x into sin nx dx. Third, if the function is neither even nor odd, तिसरा type, मग सगळंच असणार आहे तिथं, nothing is 0. So Fourier series is a naught plus everything is there, an cos nx plus bn sin nx, n is 1 to infinity, where a naught is, what is a naught?
1 upon 2 pi integration minus pi to
Correct,
to
minus
2.
pi to pi f of x dx. An is 1 upon
1 upon pi
pi, yes, minus pi to pi f of x into
cos nx dx.
cos nx dx. And bn is
1 upon pi
1 upon pi
integration minus pi to pi.
minus pi to pi f of x into sin nx dx. Okay, so whenever 0 to pi एक definition आणि त्याचे n, whenever minus pi to pi you have to do this. If these 3 types, then these 3 Fourier series. And last is if the interval is 0 to pi. Third interval, first these are full range, and it is half range. Now if it is half range, there are 2 types. First is half range Fourier cosine series, right? And second is half range Fourier sine series. What is half range Fourier cosine? Exactly this. पण ती कुठे डिफाइन आहे? 0 to pi वर. So f of x is cosine वरनं ठरवा, a naught an आहे, a naught plus summation an cos nx. Cosine म्हणजे तिथे sin नाहीये, sin नाही म्हणजे bn नाही. Where a naught is this only, 1 by pi 0 to pi f of x dx, and an is 2 by pi 0 to pi f of x into cos nx dx. Correct. And the second type is half range Fourier sine. What is that? Sine म्हणजे तिथे a naught आणि an नसणार आहे, साइन हा bn सोबत असतो. So Fourier series is exactly similar to odd function, summation bn sin nx, n is 1 to infinity, where bn is, what is bn?
2 upon pi integration 0
2 by pi 0 to pi f of x sin nx dx. Right. Okay, so this is all about the first type of interval, that is c to c plus 2 pi. Fourier series in c to c plus 2 pi. आता हे जे डेफिनेशन आहेत, ह्या डेफिनेशन वरच सगळं डिपेंड असणार आहे, कारण तुम्हाला आता इथे एक फंक्शन f of x डिफाइन करून देणार, इंटरवल सांगणार कुठला घ्यायचा, हा घ्यायचा की हा घ्यायचा की हा घ्यायचा, ठीक आहे. आणि त्याची फुरियर सिरीज विचारणार, म्हणजे हे विचारणार, हे डेफिनेशन आपण लिहिणार, यामध्ये हा a naught an bn लिहिणार, हे सॉल्व करणार इंटिग्रेशन, आणि ज्या व्हॅल्यू येतील त्या यामध्ये ठेवून देणार, आणि दॅट इज युअर रिक्वायर्ड फुरियर सिरीज. म्हणजे आता इम्पॉर्टंट काय आहे, तर ह्या सगळ्या डेफिनेशन ह्या तुम्हाला क्लिअर असायला हव्यात व्हाईल कमिंग टू द नेक्स्ट लेक्चर. कारण आपण कुठलंही जरी एक्झाम्पल सुरू केलं तरी हे तुम्हाला डेफिनेशन माहिती हव्याच. क्लिअर? So while coming to the next lecture, please remember all of these definitions. नुसतं लक्षात ठेवू नका, त्याच्या काही ट्रिक्स आहेत त्याही लक्षात ठेवा. तुम्हाला मी पाठ करा म्हणणार नाही, पाठ करायला तुम्हाला जमणारही नाही, पाठ केलं तर कुठंतरी घोळ होतोय. ट्रिक्स आहेत, ट्रिक्सनी मी ट्रिक्सनी जसं सांगते तुम्हाला तसं जा. ओके, सो प्लीज डू दिस चार्ट. एनिथिंग यू वॉन्ट टू आस्क? ओके, दिस इज द फर्स्ट टाइप. ओके, c to c plus 2 pi. नेक्स्ट टाइप काय असणार आहे?
C to C plus 2L.
2l, करेक्ट. आता हा पाय रिप्लेस होईल एल नी. एल म्हणजे एनी नंबर, लाईक C to C plus 2L म्हणजे 0 to 2 असं काहीतरी येईल. आता इथे पायच असणार आहे, पण पुढचा टाईप हा नंबर वाला असणार. आपण पहिल्यावर फोकस करूया. तो दुसरा आहे तोही असाच सिमिलर आहे. हा जमला की दुसरा जमणार. चलो, एनी डाउट? इफ यू हॅव प्लीज आस्क and wait, don't leave. Taking your attendance, ask in between for any doubts. Put your attendance in chat box and wait, do not leave. Okay. Okay, sure. You can leave. Thank you. Bye, bye, bye.